So, hi, very good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. What's about
Fine.
you?
I'm also great. Thanks that you asked me.
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the one thing that you want to do before you are no more in this world?
I want to feel my parents that I am a successful son for them and want to do everything that they want in their life.
Do you ever feel conflict and rift with your parents?
Yes, sir. Sometimes there are a lot of incident that when I feel conflict with my parents, and I think it's common with all of us.
Could you please share any last moment that you had conflict with them and how did you overcome that?
Let me remind.
Okay. Meanwhile, I have another question
Yes.
for you. So, we don't have much time for that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you want to say about generation gap?
So generation gap, if we talk about that, our parents, they are of different thinking, and now new generation are of different thinking. They like whenever I sit with my father, he always used to tell me that don't make too much friends because they are unhealthy for you. They will destroy your life. But we all know that sometimes we need friends when our parents are not working at that time. So I think this is the gap generation
Okay.
in between us.
You want to marry the person of your choice and parents do not agree, how would you deal with it?
So I will tell all the benefits of be someone like whom I like.
Okay, so this is the way you are going to convince
Yes, sir.
them.
I will tell everything good things in her.
Okay, at last you have convinced them and they say to you one thing, she or us. What would you choose?
So definitely my parents are first choice.
So will you leave that girl?
Yes, sir.
So what is your most embarrassing moment in life?
When college teachers call my parents at college, that's the most embarrassing moment for me because I was standing in front of a principal office and my father came like, now what you have done, so that's embarrassing moment.
So did you
Yeah.
give flower to someone?
No, sir, not like this, but I am in punishment in front of my father, so
Okay.
I feel very embarrassed at that time.
So what step do you take for your personal growth and self improvement?
I think so. Mainly, your self confidence is one of them. So you should work on it. So you will be great or success in your life.
So what is the meaning of success in your life? How do you define it?
Achieving your aim or goal is the definition of success in my life. That's all.
Okay, one advice that you want to give to the young generation, what would you like to give?
Uh, do hard work, be consistent with yourself, and never feel like that you got failure. You will get experience every time whenever you get fail. So keep working hard. One day you will achieve your dreams and become successful. Because, sir, it is everyone is like sun and moon. They blooms at their own time. So one day your time will come definitely, and you will be the best of yourself. Like, sir, if we talk about Diljit Dosanjh, he is now blooming and he is working from a long while. So
So, what do you value most in friendship?
honesty.
Honesty.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have a friend you always helping, or in case if he she doesn't help you, so how would you react to it?
So I feel bad at that time, but then I will come to know about his perspective, like what he thinks about it. Why didn't you he help me? So I will first know about it, then I will take my decision.
What is your deepest fear?
My deepest fear that if I am not able to help my parents live a dreamful life of whatever they think about, so that's my fear.
What makes you so humble and kind?
I think it's genetics.
Genetics.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So are
Because my
parents
father,
same? Are they
because
cool?
yes, sir. Because my father is very cool. He never abuse. He never get angry. So I think these are genetics.
Okay, these are
Yes,
genetics.
sir.
I have another question for you.
Yes.
Would you like to be famous in what way?
I want to be famous like a model.
Model.
Yes.
So have you ever thought about your dream to being a model?
No, sir. First, I want to make myself standing in my foot. Then I will take another step for them.
So from whom have you got this hairstyle? From Durgesh Naik?
No, sir. Ignite.
Ignite.
Ignite Saloon, yes, sir.
Ignite Sanil. Where is it located?
It is in our village.
It's in your village.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is one thing or what is one advice like you want to give me personally? Not to the youth. I'm talking about like you must have observed me. Like one advice you want to give me.
So I always learn from you. I never want to advise you because you are the best person and you are so kind, you are so humble. You always smile, so whatever the situation it is. So I learn a lot from you. That's
you are
all.
buttering me.
No, sir, not buttering. What will I get from buttering you? You are not our school teacher or college teacher.
Okay.
Just I want to say that I learned a lot of things from you.
So you don't want to give me any advice?
No, sir.
Well, clap.